Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone, welcome to Creative Design. In this tutorial, I will show you how to apply perfect stroke to a text and how you can apply strokes for multiple times to a text. Create new text. Now I want to change its fill color. And you can apply stroke from toolbar down there and from control bar. Select stroke color. And now I want to change stroke size. When I want to increase the size of stroke, the fill color of text has started to disappear. I don't want this. No worries, because I have the solution for this problem. I'm going to unselect this stroke and selecting the text and go to Appearance panel. In this panel, we have the options of New Fill and New Stroke. I select New Stroke. First, select this stroke layer and drop it underneath the fill layer, like this. After that, I am changing the color of fill. You can change color from color palette. Now I am going to change the color of stroke and I want to increase its size. You can see the results. This is the perfect stroke. I can also change the stroke settings from there. I can choose rounded stroke or this. And I can also add more strokes from this panel. I want to apply one more stroke, so I am going to click on New Stroke, and this way you can apply multiple strokes to the text. I'm going to apply one more stroke to this text. You can see how easily we can apply stroke from Appearance panel. And if you want to resize this text with stroke, you need to expand it, because without expanding it, you will not get the perfect result when you resize this text. So for this, go to Object, Expand Appearance, and again expand it. So now I can resize it easily. Or if you want to change your color, so you need to ungroup it, and after that you can change the color of each layer by selecting it like this. If I select this, and I can change the color of this layer, and also you can select the stroke layers and you can change your colors. One more thing you should know about expanding a text. When you expand a text, you can't edit it like a text. So you can't add more text to this layer, because it's now a compound part. So we can't edit it like a text. So you can create a copy of your text before expanding it. so you can make changes further if you need or if you want. If you want more strokes to this shape, so you can ungroup it and select any of the layer, and you can add stroke from the toolbar, or you can add the stroke from appearance panel in the same way. Now I can cut its path with knife tool and like this, and changing its color, so I will get more stylized text effect. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.